Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Did you read and study the question answer given to you from the lesson The Seed of Hope? Did you study? Okay, very good. Then come to the next lesson. What did we see in third lesson? Seed of Hope. What did Pingala do? Pingala got the seed from the king and what did he do? He sowed it in a pot in his garden. And what did he do? Then what did he do? He took great care of the seed. He gave enough of water, manure, etc. That we saw in last lesson. And come to the fourth lesson. Do you know the title of the lesson? Do you know? Did you see the fourth lesson's heading? The disappointment. What is that? The disappointment. What is the meaning of disappointment? Nirasha. Disappointment, sadness, nirasha. What happened to Pingala? Why did he become so disappointed? You will see in this lesson, fourth lesson, the disappointment. Children, look in your textbook, page number 13. Lesson 4, the disappointment. Pingala watered and manured the seed, but the seed did not sprout. Pingala changed the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. Weeks and months passed. One day, Pingala went near the pot. He knelt before it. Dear seed, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. But nothing happened. The next day, he saw children walking to the palace dressed in their best clothes. They all held well-grown plants. Pingala stood watching them sadly. Children, read one time silently the lesson. One time, read silently. Yes, listen here. I will explain the lesson. Lesson 4. What is that? The disappointment. Sadness. What happened to Pingala? You listen. Pingala watered and manured the seed. What did Pingala do? We already saw that he sowed the seed in a pot in his garden and he took great care of it. Next lesson. Pingala watered and manured the seed. What did he give to the seed? He watered. He gave much water for the seed to grow and also he manured. Manured means anything spread over soil for fertilizing it. Fertilize means what? വളക്കൂറുള്ളതാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി മണ്ണിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇട്ട് കൊടുക്കുന്ന എന്തിനേയും നമുക്ക് മനുവർ എന്ന് പറയാം. അതായത് വളമിടുക എന്നാണ് മനുവേഡിൻ്റെ മീനിങ്. വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ഹി ഡു? Pingala watered and manured the seed. Pingala watered and manured the seed. Do you understand? Manured spelling? Spell out manured. MANURED. വളമിട്ടു. വാട്ടറും കൊടുത്തു, വളവും ഇട്ടു. സീഡിന് നന്നായി വെള്ളവും ഒഴിച്ച് വളവും ഇട്ടു എന്നാണ് അതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ്. Pingala watered and manured the seed. M-A-N-U-R-E-D. Manured. Say one more time. Say the word. Okay, manured. Spelling M-A-N-U-R-E-D. Manured the seed. But the seed did not sprout. What happened? The seed did not sprout. It did not start to grow. He did not see anything coming out from his pot. It did not sprout. Spell out sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T. To start to grow. It did not start to grow. He watered and manured the seed, but the seed did not sprout. അത് പൊട്ടി മുളച്ചില്ല. It did not sprout. Which word is used here? Sprout. Spell out S-P-R-O-U-T. It did not sprout means അത് പൊട്ടി മുളച്ചില്ല, മുളച്ചു വന്നില്ല. Pingala changed the soil and transferred the seed to another pot. Then what did he do? He watered and manured the seed, but it did not sprout. Then what did he do? What did he do? He changed the soil. He changed the soil of that seed. He put some soil in that pot to grow the plant. No. Then he changed that soil from there, and also he transferred the seed to another pot. That pot also he changed. He changed the soil and also he transferred the seed to another pot. Put another soil and also he used another pot. He transferred that seed to another pot. Do you understand? അവൻ അതിലെ മണ്ണും മാറ്റി എന്നിട്ടോ സീഡ് എടുത്ത് വേറൊരു പോട്ടിലേക്ക് മണ്ണ് നിറച്ച് വേറൊരു പോട്ടിൽ പാകി. എന്തെങ്കിലും മണ്ണിൻ്റെ കുഴപ്പമാണോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പോട്ടിൻ്റെ കുഴപ്പമാണോ എന്ന് അറിയാത്തത് കൊണ്ട് he took another pot and he put another soil. He took another pot and he changed the soil and he put that seed in that pot. Do you understand? Clear? Okay. Weeks and months pass. What happened? Many weeks and also months also passed away. Weeks and months. ആഴ്ചകളും മാസങ്ങളും കഴിഞ്ഞു. Weeks and months passed. One day, Pingala went near the pot. What did he do? One day he went near the pot and what did he do? He knelt before it. What did he do? He knelt before it. അവൻ അതിൻ്റെ മുൻപിൽ മുട്ടുകുത്തി നിന്നു. നീ മുട്ട്, കാൽമുട്ട് നീ എന്ന് പറയില്ലേ? നീൽ ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മുട്ടുകുത്തി നിൽക്കുക. നെൽറ്റ് ബി ടു ഓഫ് ദ വേർഡ് നീൽ. അവൻ ആ സീഡിൻ്റെ മുൻപിൽ, ആ പോട്ടിൻ്റെ മുൻപിൽ മുട്ടുകുത്തി നിന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചു. ഹി നെൽറ്റ് ബിഫോർ ഇറ്റ്. One day Pingala went near the pot and he knelt before it. Then what did he pray? Dear seed, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. What did he pray? He knelt before the seed, knelt in front of the seed pot and he prayed, Dear seed, 3 months have already finished, passed away. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. അവൻ എന്താണ് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചത്? മാസങ്ങളും ആഴ്ചകളും. 3 months have already finished, passed away. 3 മാസം കഴിഞ്ഞു, നീ ഇതുവരെ മുളച്ചു വന്നില്ല. ഇനി നാളെ നിന്നെ എനിക്ക് I want you to take you to the palace and you please sprout out by tomorrow. നിന്നെ എനിക്ക് പാലസിലേക്ക് നല്ല ബെൽഗ്രോൺ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആയി കൊണ്ടുപോയാൽ മാത്രമേ എനിക്ക് എന്താണ് അവിടുത്തെ പ്രിൻസ് ആകാൻ സാധിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ട് അവൻ ആ സീഡിൻ്റെ മുൻപിൽ മുട്ടുകുത്തി പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. ഡിയർ സീഡ്, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. അവൻ മുട്ടുകുത്തി നിന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചു, എനിക്ക് നിന്നെ പാലസിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയി രാജാവിൻ്റെ മുൻപിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയി കാണിച്ചാൽ മാത്രമേ എനിക്ക് നല്ല വെൽ ഗ്രോൺ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് പ്രിൻസ് ആകാൻ സാധിക്കും. അതുകൊണ്ട് പ്ലീസ് യു സ്പ്രൗട്ട് ഔട്ട് ബൈ ടുമോറോ. നാളത്തേക്ക് നീ മുളച്ച് നിൽക്കണം, നന്നായി നല്ല വെൽ ഗ്രോൺ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആയി മുളച്ച് വരണമെന്ന് അവൻ മുട്ടുകുത്തി നിന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. But nothing happened. Did anything happen? No, nothing happened. ഒന്നും സംഭവിച്ചില്ല. Nothing happened. The seed did not sprout out. The seed did not sprout out. He one day 3 months and weeks and months passed away, and one day he went near to the seed and knelt before it, and he prayed to the seed, dear seed, 3 months have already passed. I have to take you to the palace. Please you sprout out by tomorrow. Pingala prayed to the seed. But did the seed sprout? No, it did not sprout. Nothing happened. ഒന്നും സംഭവിച്ചില്ല. ഒരു മുള പോലും വിത്ത് പൊട്ടി മുളയ്ക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങിയതേയില്ല. But nothing happened. Spell out tomorrow. Spell out tomorrow. I think that you already learned the word tomorrow. 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 Then sprout. Sprout. Then knelt. മുട്ടുകുത്തി നിന്നു. V2 of kneel. kneel down എന്ന് പറയില്ലേ മുട്ടുകുത്താൻ. KNELT. What is that? KNELT. Knelt down. Knelt before it. Dear seed, 3 months have passed. I want to take you to the palace. Palace spell out PALACE. Palace. Please sprout out by tomorrow. Please spell out PLEASE. Once again, one more time. Please. 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 Then happened. 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 One more time. Yes. HAPPENED. Happened. Nothing. You know the spelling of nothing? Do you know? Yes. NOTHING. Nothing. Then come to the next small paragraph. The next day he saw children walking to the palace dressed in their best clothes. Then the next day, what did Pingala see? He saw that children walking to the palace with well-grown plants. The next day he saw. Who saw? Pingala saw children walking to the palace dressed in the best clothes. They were in the best clothes, new good clothes. They wore new clothes, good dress, and they were walking to the palace. Pingala saw that children walking to the palace in their best clothes. അവരുടെ നല്ല ക്ലോത്ത്സ് എല്ലാം നല്ല പുതിയ ഡ്രസ്സെല്ലാം ഇട്ട് കുട്ടികളെല്ലാവരും പാലസിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു കണ്ടു. ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡേ ഹി സോ ചിൽഡ്രൻ വാക്കിംഗ് ടു ദ പാലസ് ഡ്രസ് ഇൻ ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് ക്ലോത്ത്സ്. ബെസ്റ്റ് ക്ലോത്ത്സ് മീൻസ് ഗുഡ് ക്ലോത്ത്സ്, ന്യൂ ക്ലോത്ത്സ്. They all held well-grown plants. What did they have in their hands? They all held well-grown plants in their hands. They all had well-grown plants in their hands. They all held. HOLD, hold, V1, then held. They held well-grown plants in their hands. Pingala stood watching them sadly. What did Pingala do? He stood watching them sadly. വളരെ വിഷമത്തോടെ. He became so sad and he was watching them very sadly. അവൻ വളരെ സങ്കടത്തോടെ അത് നോക്കി നിന്നു. വളരെ സങ്കടമായി പോയി അവന്. His seed did not sprout out. Then he saw that all children were walking to the palace with well-grown plants, and they were in their best clothes. So Pingala became so sad. Then children, you read the lesson. New words you listen. Disappointment. What is that? Heading of the lesson, the disappointments. Okay, the disappointment, sadness, nirasha. Then manure, MANURED. He watered and manured the seed. MANURED. Sprout, SPROUT. Change, CHANGED. Transferred, TRINSFERRED. He transferred the seed to another pot. He transferred the seed to another pot. മറ്റൊരു പോട്ടിലേക്ക് അവൻ സീഡിനെ ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ആക്കി മാറ്റി നട്ടു. Weeks and months passed. Pingala went near the knelt before it. KNELT, knelt. Then next one, please, PLEASE, please. Tomorrow, TOMORROW. Happened, HAPPENED. Happened. Nothing, NOTHING. Nothing. Next day, NEXT. 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 Children, you know it now spelling. Then dressed. Dressed in their best clothes. DRESSED. Dress. DRESSED. Dress. Clothes. 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 Well-grown plants. Well-grown. WELL hyphen, small hyphen, then GROWN. Then watching, WATCHING. Sadly, SADLY, ദുഃഖത്തോടെ, വിഷമത്തോടെ. Stood, what is the V1 form of stood? Stand, STOOD, stood. V2 of stand, what is that? Stood. Okay, read the lesson. I will send you the words, you write by side and learn the spelling. Then thank you, have a nice day.